All right, the next drill we're going to shoot is called the 396. The reason we call it the 396, we're going to shoot 3 rounds from 9 different positions and 6 rounds from 1 position. Okay, this is intended to be shot with the carbine and the pistol. You'll transition to the pistol on the last target. Okay, what we're trying to accomplish with this drill, we're trying to make sure that we've got the correct knee up, and on these barricades, we want to make sure that when we drop behind a barricade, our back knee is up. Whichever hand is touching the barricade, that knee should be down. This knee is up so that we can get a good position to squeeze our trigger on that target. Make sure the weapon's on safe before you transition from strong to support side and support to strong. Finger off the trigger unless you're engaging a target. 396, let's shoot it. Shooters ready.
Stand by.
Time.
32:52.
32:52. Looks like we're good there. Looks like we're good there.
Yep.
32:52. Okay, not a bad run. A little herky-jerky in spots, but that's what we're trying to do. Be as quick as we possibly can go. Okay, that's called the 396. Hope you enjoyed that drill. Have a good one.